Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video that is about countable noun. It is also a kind of noun. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. They have both singular and plural forms. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. It means we can number them. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 1000, 10,000, and we can count them. Uh, and they have both singular and plural form. For example, if we have a pencil, we have more pencils. Then if we have a pencil, then it is singular. If we have pencils, they are plural because we have more pencils and we can count them. For example, here you look, there are pencils on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 pencils on the screen. You can see, and we can count them. Okay, just there is a basket of flowers. This is one. Okay, just I have one pointer or one marker. You can say one pen. The if I have two pens, if I have three pens, four pens, 10 pens, then I can count them, and they can be singular and in plural forms. Next, I'll tell you about singular and plural noun. How can we make singular to plural noun? कि हम सिंगुलर को प्लूरल में कैसे चेंज करते हैं? हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल आर देयर? Here are some like people, books, pen, children, dog, bag, women, friend, building, bottle, country, house, and eggs. Here we can say people. We can write here peoples because generally we call the persons like people of Pakistan, people of India, and there are billions of people, there are hundreds of people, there are so many people. It means they are countable. If there are 100, we can count them. If there are 1,000, we can count them. For example, if there are some people working in the office, how many men? वो कितने persons हैं? How many people are they? How many persons are they? There may be 10 persons, and we call them people. Here are books. काउंटेबल नाउन में आप जो है वो बेस वर्ड्स के साथ एस पी एस का इजाफा करते हैं, उसके अलावा आई ई एस का भी इजाफा करते हैं. देन दे कैन बी in plural form and they can be countable. For example, pens. Pens is also countable because if you have a pen, then it means you have only one pen. And if you have two or three pens, it means you can count them. Okay. For example, this berry has part and this is one. If I have two or three pointers like this, then I can count it. Next है children. One children is one child. बेबी को child कहते हैं और जो ज़्यादा बच्चे होते हैं उनको हम children का नाम देते हैं. Dog है, we can call we can count them as dogs. We can count bags. We can count women. Either it doesn't have s with it, but it is plural form, but it is countable noun. Next है friend. It means you have friend. आपका कोई दोस्त है. How many friends do you have? I have 2 friends. I have 3 friends. It means your friends are countable. Next है building. Building is also countable noun because there are so many buildings, school building, home building, offices, markets. They are all buildings, and we can count them. There are bottles, country, house, eggs. These are all countable nouns. Yet they can be singular and plural. If you touch a ball, it means you can see it. You can count these balls. For example, if you have 2 balls or 3 balls, it means you can count. If there are hundreds of balls, you can also count them. Okay, like bottle. If you have 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles, it means they are countable. They are in numbers, you can say. uncountable are shown in number. All these things are countable nouns, and there are so many other things which I can't write here, which I can't tell you. Even for example, you have chairs in your house, you can count them. How many bed do you have? You can count them. How many you can say dresses you have? You can count them. How many pencils you have? How many pens you have? How many books you have? These all things have numbers. If they have number and they are countable nouns and they can be in singular plural form. नेक्स्ट है आपके पास अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. Here is the other kind of noun that is uncountable noun. It is definitely opposite to the countable nouns because countable nouns are, you can say, uh, we can count, they can be counted, and uncountable noun are totally opposite to the countable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. They don't have any plural form. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. Means we can number them. If they are stars, I don't know how many stars. If you have milk, I don't know how much milk is it. तो जो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स होती हैं उसके अंदर हमें हमारी मेजरमेंट्स होती हैं अमाउंट्स के अंदर और नंबर्स के अंदर. अमाउंट्स मैंने राइट किए हैं और यहाँ पे नंबर्स भी हैं. अमाउंट में है आपके पास आंसर आता है हाउ मच. हाउ मच में हाउ मच कितना. ओके और नंबर में हाउ मैनी. हाउ मैनी. इट मीन्स अनकाउंटेबल नाउन जो है वो आंसर होते हैं. हाउ मच में आपने उसकी अमाउंट राइट करनी है. फॉर एग्जांपल जो लिक्विड चीज़ें होती हैं पाउडर फॉर्म में होती हैं उनको मेजर किया जाता है. उनको हम गिन नहीं सकते. उनको सिर्फ मेजर किया जा सकता है लीटर की सूरत में, केजी की फॉर्म में. हम उनको जो है वो तोल सकते हैं. हम उनको मेजर कर सकते हैं बट वी कैन काउंट देम. And here we can say water, milk, honey, wheat, rice, sugar, oil, that is sand, information, advice, knowledge, air, rain, and news. These are all things are uncountable because we can't count them. There's a water, it is water. We can't write here as it is wrong. If we write with waters, मुझे पानी ला दे, give me water. Uh, have you some spoken like give me waters? No, give me 2 glasses of water. जब हमें water के साथ write करना है तो you can say cups of water. You can say cups of water. Not say waters. Give me waters. Give me milk. Give me a glass of milk. Not say give me. Uh, you can say 2 milks. Okay, 3 milks. You can say it is only milk. It doesn't have any plural form. Okay, honey is also uncountable noun because जो भी चीज़ें लिक्विड फॉर्म में होती हैं, ग्रेन की फॉर्म में होती हैं और जो चीज़ें आप कह सकते हैं लिक्विड फॉर्म में होती हैं वो अनकाउंटेबल होती है. उनकी कोई भी मेजरमेंट नहीं होती. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक जैसे शुगर है तो ये हमें केजी में मिलती है. जैसे ऑयल है ये भी आपके पास लिक्विड में आता है. सैंड है तो ये देखें सैंड को आप काउंट तो नहीं कर सकते. इट इज नॉट, इट इज अनकाउंटेबल. It is contradict to countable nouns. Then information is always information. We can't write with it as or yes to make the additions. हम इसको ज़्यादा करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे जो है वो ऐसे ऐड नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आइज डिवाइस है तो डिवाइस को अगर हमने प्लूरल फॉर्म में राइट करना है तो हम लिखेंगे पीसेज ऑफ एडवाइस. वी कैन say right here as it is wrong. अगर हम एडवाइस के साथ एस राइट करेंगे तो वो रॉन्ग होगा. अगर हमने करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे पीसेज ऑफ एडवाइस राइट करेंगे. यू गॉट इट. ओके नेक्स्ट है एयर. Air can be measured, okay, but it can't be, you can say, count. For example, there's a news, we can count it. There's rain, we can't count out. और इसके साथ साथ आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि इनकी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल फॉर्म नहीं है। जो काउंटेबल नाउन है उनकी सिंगुलर प्लूरल फॉर्म है, और जो आपके पास अनकाउंटेबल ये स्क्रीन पर नज़र आ रही है, आपके पास एक डेफिनेशन मैंने रखी हुई है, उसी को देखते हुए आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये आपके पास आपने क्या करना है। इनका आप लोगों ने, जैसे एडवाइस है तो पीस ऑफ एडवाइस राइट करेंगे, इन्फॉर्मेशन है तो आप कहेंगे पीस ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, कहेंगे पीस ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, piece of information, you can say right, permissions, you can say informations, okay. Piece of advice you can say instead of advice की बजाय, advices की बजाय आप piece of advice राइट करें, और यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन की बजाय piece of information जो है वो आप लोगों ने राइट करना है। ये थी आपके पास एक छोटी सी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन की जो है वो डेफिनेशन, और उसके मैंने एग्जांपल आपको बताई है। नेक्स्ट मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इन दोनों को कंपैरिजन जो है वो बताऊंगी। आई होप you are learning much more from these videos. Follow for more updates.